Hello everyone and welcome to another install video. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy install of the ZL1 Addons Lift Pads. So I've been using a ZL1 Addons jack pad for a while now, and it's great for when you need to quickly raise one side of the car. But a couple of weeks ago I had a flat and I had to get my car over to the tire shop to get the nail out, so they had to put it up on the lift and whatnot. And at that point I just kind of figured, instead of them ruining the pinch welds, I'm just going to go ahead and get myself some jack pads. Alright, so let's really quickly look what's in the box. Alright, so here are lift pads. Let's put them up really quickly. Alright, so the pads are identical for the fronts and backs. They have two tightening screws, and you get a little Allen key that comes along with it. Before we install it, just a quick note: the gap is pretty big here, so to make your life easier, since there's not going to be a lot of room available to tighten these, just kind of back them in a little more than halfway through, and test it out. If you can get it in, it's nice and tight, you're good to go. Otherwise, again, when you're under the car and you're trying to tighten these, you're only going to have about maybe half a circle movement with this Allen key, so it may take you a little while to actually tighten each and every one. So like I said, just tighten them up as close as possible. Try it on the car to see if you have enough space to put this thing all the way up, and then just retighten them. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and put them on. Alright, so that's basically where it's going to get mounted. And as you see, there's still some play here, so let me go ahead and tighten just a tiny bit more. Let's see. Alright, so I think we're good. It's not the easiest thing to get it mounted under the car with very little. Just take your time. Alright, so this one's kind of tight, so let me get the other one on. Just gonna also try to keep it up so it doesn't slope down. Alright. Almost there. Just try to do your best to tighten it well enough. Okay, that side's done. Let's get this one rechecked again and tighten it a little bit more. Alright, so this is nice and tight. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Alright, so here's the front driver's side. Again, just check your tightening bolts. Make sure they're semi-tight, but still enough space to get it in there. Alright, gotta loosen that up a little bit. Line it up. Okay. And start to again, tightening these guys. Alright. This side. Again, not a lot of room, but just do take your time. And it'll happen. I see. This one has even less room than the rear, so. Alright, this one's done. Let's do the passenger side. Alright guys, so that was a quick install of a ZL1 Addons Lift Pads. As you saw, it was a pretty easy install. It's just time consuming because again, limited range of motion for that Allen key to keep turning, but do take your time, and it's straightforward and easy install. One quick note, once you use a lift and obviously your jack pads, once the car is back down, make sure go back and just double check, make sure everything's nice and tight, and you're good to go. And as always, if you like the video, please don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Take care.